see if they'll like this dog food. I measure it. That way we're not wasting money and we're not overfeeding. You know what I mean? And that's the smart way to feed animals. So they do in the zoo. They weigh it out. Although this part, I forgot, isn't the flat ones. This one's hard for Fifi to eat, the cheaper one. That's the problem. That's why we picked the lamb, because the lamb has little flat pieces Fifi can eat. Rogue says, oh, is that whole bowl for me? Get out of there, Charlie. Charlie, she's eating. Look at Charlie's face. Charlie's like, hey, she's eating mine. I'm gonna give it to you. Let the old girl get a bite. Let me get a little scoop for Doodles. And Rogue, I know for sure he doesn't want to share with you. Here, I'll give you a little bite. Oh, good grief! Yours is coming. You're like a fellow windbag. Come on, Neil. Come on, Neil. Hurry, Neil. Get in there. Get in there. Good boy. You're so cute, Neil. You only get a couple. Today is bath day. Thunder's going to get a bath. I'm going to spray you, Thunder. Wash your dirty tail. You're a dirty boy. Thunder, you're getting your bath because you're so sweaty. We got to get the sweat off you, big boy. You'll feel better. We're doing spring cleaning. Or should I say spring bathing? Those bubbles, it looks like soap, but it isn't soap. It's like sweat and dirt. I thought this was going to be the shortest way, but the car's kind of in the way, but I'll go around it. But there's sometimes when you just need a break. Oh, it's easy going downhill.